Hello. Thank you for joining me today. Welcome to your 10-minute Yoga Nidra practice. Find a comfortable position, lying flat on your back, arms by your sides, and palms facing upward. If you're seated, sit with a tall spine, relaxed shoulders, and feet flat on the ground. Close your eyes and begin to bring your awareness inward. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, allow your body to relax deeper into the surface you are resting on. Notice how your body feels in this moment, and set the intention to be present and aware of the sensations in your body without judgment. Now bring your attention to the tips of your toes. Gently notice any sensations in your toes: warmth, coolness, tingling, or perhaps a sense of heaviness. Do not try to change anything, just observe. Gradually move your awareness up to the soles of your feet, feeling the contact with the surface below you. Can you notice any subtle sensations in the arches of your feet, the tops of your feet? Continue bringing your awareness to your ankles, your shins, and your calves. How do these areas feel? Are there any areas of tension or tightness? Or do you feel light and relaxed? Simply notice. Now move your attention to your knees. Notice any sensations around the kneecaps or the back of your knees. Allow your knees to soften as you bring your awareness further up the legs. Shift your focus to your thighs, both the front and back of your legs. Feel the weight of your legs against the ground. Are there any areas of stiffness or tightness here? Move your awareness to the hips, pelvis, and lower back. Can you feel the weight of your hips settling into the surface below? Allow your hips to release and soften with each exhalation. Notice if any areas feel tense, or if you're holding on to any discomfort in this area. Bring your awareness to your lower back. Notice the natural curve of the spine and any sensations along the back muscles. Allow the lower back to soften and release into the ground. Move your focus up to your mid-back and upper back. Feel the rib cage expanding with each inhale, and notice how it gently contracts with each exhale. Is there any tension between your shoulder blades? Now bring your attention to your abdomen. Notice any movement here as you breathe. Does your belly rise and fall gently with your breath? If there's any tightness in the stomach, see if you can consciously soften this area. Shift your awareness to your chest. Feel the chest rising and falling with each breath. Is there a sense of openness, or do you notice any tightness around the heart or lungs? Allow your chest to gently soften. Now move your awareness to your right arm. Start with your right hand. Notice any sensations in your fingers, your palm, and the back of your hand. Move up to your wrist, your forearm, your elbow, and your upper arm. Allow the muscles to soften as you move up the arm. Now bring your awareness to your left hand. Feel the sensations in your left fingers, palm, and the back of your hand. Move your awareness up your wrist, forearm, elbow, and upper arm, noticing how the left arm feels. Now bring your attention to your neck. Gently observe any sensations here, perhaps tightness or ease. Allow the neck to soften as you breathe out, releasing any tension. Shift your awareness to your face. Relax your jaw. Soften the area around your eyes and smooth out your forehead. Release any tension in the muscles of the face. Feel your face become softer and more relaxed. Move your attention to the top of your head. Notice any sensations at the crown of your head. With each breath, allow your body to feel even more relaxed. Now bring your attention to your entire body. Feel how your body is resting against the surface beneath you. Notice the sensations in the body as a whole. Can you sense a deep feeling of relaxation, heaviness, or warmth? Simply observe the overall experience of your body without trying to change anything. Take a moment to check in with any areas of tension or discomfort that may still be present. Are there any areas that need more attention or simply more acceptance? Take a few deep breaths now, noticing the rise and fall of your belly with each breath. As you inhale, feel a sense of expansion in your body. As you exhale, feel a deepening relaxation. When you're ready, gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch your arms or legs if it feels good. And slowly bring your awareness back to the room around you. And when you are ready, if your eyes are closed, you may open them, taking this sensation of calm and relaxation with you as you move forward into the rest of your day.